Play School, how are you? I missed you all so much, especially my class Simba. I hope to see all of you inshallah in a good health, so stay at home and stay safe. Today we have a new friend, a new sound to meet. This sound is X, X, X. But at first let me tell you a little story about this sound. Okay, what can we see in this picture? This boy has fallen over and hurt his arm. So he went to the hospital to take an X-ray on his arm. And his friend is having a toy. This toy is a camera. And he's pretending to take an X-ray picture for his friend's arm, making a sound. So, what is the word for today? X-ray. X-ray. Repeat after me. X-ray. X-ray. Okay, so now let's hear the song together about the X. Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. Okay, one more time. Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. So good. And now, open your class workbook at page 54. Color the X-ray. X-ray. Color inside the line and don't go outside the line. And coloring in one direction, up to down or right to left. After you're finishing your class workbook, open your homework book at page 13. And color the X-ray too. Thank you so much for today. You have been with Miss Isra, and I hope to see you all of you soon inshallah. Goodbye.